Carol Harston agus bliana bheith úr. We thought we'd sing a song for you just now because we've got some gigs coming up at Celtic Connections. We've got a gig as a duo, we've got a gig with our band Crane, I've got another gig with my sisters Mackenzie as part of a concert called Oran and Gale, so we're pretty busy.
Yeah, and the song we're going to sing is called Tokamich Bohan. It's a song I wrote last month, in fact.
Last year.
Last year. Higif Tokamich Bohan sa chayas sa glawn. Falelio, Faran feishin foshe trambos moichem ha trau. Falelio, Faran feishin foshe trambos moichem ha trau. Falelio, Fat fada savala tufshir is count how. Falelio, Fat fada savala tufshir is count how. Falelio, Waroch kruin uroch var en toke sin faun. Falelio,